Alright guys, so I told you I was gonna put a oil catch can, even though I'm not a big fan of it. I got the Evil, is it Evil Energy? Yeah, the Evil Energy brand. It already comes with this stuff right here. I'm not really gonna teach y'all how to take this off. I just took it apart a while ago. I say I took it apart. The only thing I took off was the hose. These two hoses that go right here, whatever. I mean, it's just a little rubber plastic hose. Oh yeah, by the way, subscribe to the channel. I vlog a little bit, doing little things to my whip. I got a knife right here just because I did have to cut this long hose. I didn't like how it was. When I was getting ready to put it on, I was like, kind of just want to slap this on for y'all real quick, not take too long on it, because it really don't take long. Other than that, let's go ahead and get to it. Make sure you subscribe to the channel. Give me a like, man. I'm gonna go ahead and try to screw her on. I think I might have to do one more cutting. I'm not sure if I gotta cut it one more time or not. It got dark on me, by the way. Shit got real dark on me. Alright, so I already took that little fucking bro, hell no. I know it just oh my. That literally was just caught on camera. Anyways, let's try this shit again. Don't do what the fuck I did. Oh my. Alright, so it's just a spacer pretty much. It don't give you that much room, but that's what you need. Stupid. That's why I say stupid, because instead of giving me two, they should just made one fucking size spacer on this damn thing. One big old spacer. So that two. Fucking individual ones. Okay. Got her started. And that is size 13. If you don't know. Make sure we're going the right way. See, I'm loosey already. Gotta tighten her up. Yeah, I don't need that extendo. Like I said, it's real simple if you don't drop shit. I ain't gonna lie, doing it at this time right now, I just got the house sprayed for mosquitoes. With all this fucking rain, I guess it washed away all my fucking poison, and fucking mosquitoes are out. I feel like this is taking forever to... Oh, there we go. There we go. She getting a little tidy, you know what I'm saying? Alright. I got... Oh, motherfucker got me on the back of my leg. Whole ass. Alright. I got this one loose right now just because... You know, let's go ahead and tighten her up too. Hopefully I didn't cut this damn hose too small. Or else I'm gonna have to go... buy me a hose. Alright. Nah, I think we'll be alright. I didn't like how that it was turning earlier. See, like this right here. I might have to. And everybody is just different. I might just have her curving just a little bit, like right here. So I'm gonna cut her a little bit. I put Teflon on mine, by the way. Now I'm gonna have to redo the Teflon on that bitch. Alright, so as you can tell. Alright, so I already cut the hose. Now I'm gonna put some Teflon on it. The only reason why I'm putting on it, you don't have to. I mean, I guess it depends on how you feel. I mean, it's not like a lot of pressure going flowing through this thing, I believe. But me, I don't necessarily trust this shit. Like I said, you don't need much. And then screw around. Let's see if we make it all the way around. Like that. That's just tight. We'll go from there. On this side, insert. Gets still right there. Other side as well. Put that in. It hits. You're good. Then you put this right there, I guess. Just feed her through. Say it's easy. Let me see what the hell. My ass is struggling just a little bit. It's easy as in, doesn't take a rocket science. Just put this together. I feel like if I had the longer one, it's not gonna work out. Nope, it's not gonna work out. I mean, I'm not crazy about this mod. Someone's like, you need to put your OilCatchCan. And even when I go to like two little corn meats in there, you don't run a OilCatchCan? No. Oh yeah, so while I'm doing the last tightness on this thing, y'all want to see me go out there to Bandas and Trocas. It's a big old car show. You heard Freddie, LSX, I mean, Spanish band, all that. Oh, good stuff. I don't know what happened to my hand. Damn, feel like it fell asleep. Okay. Hit a nerve or something. All right. Well, I don't know what happened. Finger literally fell asleep. All right, so that's it, man. I mean, I think she's going anywhere. We're gonna see how it does. Make sure I connected this back. So there she goes, guys. I mean, it doesn't take much. I gotta rewash this damn engine bay again. I mean, she's there. And voila, I mean, she's all installed. I mean, everything's there. I did a little cutting. I mean, I'm pretty sure you don't really have to, but I've seen a lot of people that did. I've seen a lot of people that actually cut it all. So there you go, guys. I mean, I had to cut mine. I see other people cut theirs. And that's it. All right, guys, so there you go. OilCatchCan has been put on. Like I said, I'm not a biggie fan of it. I mean, I just feel like they say it helps and saves your motor and whatnot, but I mean, technically, if you do your oil changes on time, you should be alright. Like, honestly. Like I said, this was Evil Energy. You don't need a lot of tools. I just I dropped some shit and I was trying to get to it. So, anyways, that's that. Got the leg maker, and guess what? It is dark. It is dark. You can't really tell right now, but I don't have a front splitter on my car. But before I show y'all something, y'all see this box? Y'all see that box right here? We got a front splitter. Trying not to show my damn address. I don't need nobody, you know what I'm saying, see where I live at, cause you know what I'm saying. Anyways, we got a front splitter. We're gonna go ahead and put that. I mean, like I said, I do want to rewrap the hood, the top of the roof, and people gonna probably dislike me for this. I do got a Daytona. My car is debadged all the way around. Like I said, it's dark, so you know what? Let me show y'all real quick. Got a little flashlight. So it is debadged. I don't have my 392 badge on there. The only one that I do have right here is the Daytona. Now I do want to take this off and just go with the wrapped hood. So the only Daytona thing I'm gonna have is on my grill. I'm not gonna get one of those light ones. I mean, they are nice. I mean, them things are clean, but I just feel like a lot of people have them. You know what I'm saying? But OilCatchCan is there, as you can tell. Make sure you subscribe to the channel, and we'll be putting on this front splitter this week. Just trying to make sure I ain't showing my address on here. Okay. All right. Yeah. So this week we're gonna go ahead and we'll go ahead and try to put this on. The weather has been crazy out down here. I got pulled over Saturday. Today is Monday. Now we're putting this on. I just been all around hella busy. So we're back at it. You know what I'm saying? If you want your engine life to actually last long, go ahead and change your oil. I mean, just do it constantly. Me, like I say, sometimes I don't even hit the 3K miles. Every 2 to 3 months, depending, I'll go ahead and change it. I mean, I don't change it. I can change it, but it actually comes out cheaper for me taking it to the dealer, because I got this discount card thing. So it'd be cheaper for me for now to go get it changed with them in the meantime, because the oil is going to cost me more. I don't know. The discount I got on this oil change is crazy. So I don't pay 100, I don't pay 80, I pay about 60 bucks for an oil change, like back in the day on a regular fucking car when you used to go to those quick oil changes. Either way, I got 90K miles. She's strong. She is canned. She's been canned for 2 years. I mean, what can I tell you? I mean, people hear knocks on their engines. I mean, change your oil, man. Change your oil. Keep up with all the fluids. I mean, shit, it's really simple. And then if you do drive your scat, like if you have it as a daily, like this is not a daily as well. So if you have a scat as a daily and you drive it rough every fucking day, no shit, Einstein, that shit is gonna like go out quick. Me, I don't drive mines every day, but on the weekends, yes. There's some days I'm cruising, some days I'm driving her like she's supposed to. You know what I'm saying? But it's not every day. So I think that's also why a lot of people's shit starts fucking up so quick. I mean, everybody has their own opinion on that shit. I'm just telling you on my shit. I mean, my shit has been great to me. 90K miles. I think I hit 91 this weekend, actually. So, I mean, she's been great. Either way, let me know if we should go to Bandas and Trocas. I'll take my bros with me. I'll probably take my kids as well. I mean, that's a big-ass show. We might stay out there. You know what I'm saying? My shit is not like car show shit, but I like to go show my shit. You know what I'm saying? I don't give a shit. There's going to be a lot of chargers. Everybody has their own. I love trucks, too. You know what I'm saying? I love trucks. And they're going to have a lot of them taquachi trucks, drop trucks, lifted trucks. They have it all. You know what I'm saying? ATVs and everything. So it's pretty dope. So anyways, go ahead and subscribe to the channel, man. Give me a like. Follow me for some more videos. Yes, I am still reacting to videos. But I'm also trying to show about my vehicle because I want to vlog about it, man. I've been having a car and I just want to vlog about it. I want to let people know, yes, I will eventually try to get a Hellcat. Am I going to trade this in? No, I think I'm going to keep this one because I think I have more plans for this in the future. Honestly. But either ways, I'll catch y'all on the next video, man. I done said that so many fucking times, but I'm so excited about the shit I'm doing. Like this, I'm be honest, I'm not like crazy excited about. I mean, I've been I haven't had a problem with my car, never had to. Just one guy hit me up in my DMs like, man, put an oil catch can on that thing. I was like, all right. You know what I'm saying? That's why I didn't really demonstrate how to put one on here. I'm just showing you that I'm putting one on here. So hope y'all enjoyed it. Catch y'all on the next one, man.